You've been using soap wrong your whole life. Because real luxury starts with this ugly secret. Watch closely. Only 1% of raw ingredients make the cut for a luxury bar.
They are crushed under extreme pressure to extract pure liquid gold.
But raw oil isn't enough. It has to be purified to perfection.
Next, thousands of rare white roses are prepared. Boiled down until only the absolute purest essence remains.
Now comes the dangerous part, the chemical trigger. Without this exact reaction, soap simply cannot exist. This is saponification, the exact moment nature turns into a cleanser. It's getting thick. The batter thickens until it reaches the perfect trace. But we aren't making standard soap. It's time for the secret ingredient. Watch what happens when the oil and water finally collide.
Pure gold flakes folded seamlessly into the dense cream. The hot paste is poured out, but it's still far from finished.
A flash freeze locks the ingredients together permanently. What emerges is a solid 1,000-pound block of raw soap. But wait, they immediately destroy it. Why? To extract every last drop of excess moisture. The dry chips are stored, waiting for the most crucial step. This is milling, the secret behind an impossibly smooth bar. Crushed once, scraped off, and crushed all over again. Triple milled. It's an old French technique that guarantees 0 lumps. Next, the paste is forced into long, dense strands. Here, the pure floral essence we extracted earlier is finally injected. Kneaded deep into the core so the scent never fades. All oxygen is sucked out. Any trapped air would ruin the bar. All oxygen is sucked out. Any trapped air would ruin the bar. Under immense pressure, it is extruded into an endless log. It passes through a heat tunnel to soften just a fraction. Then, a high-speed wire slices the log into exact sections. These are called billets. They are the blanks for the final masterpiece. This solid steel mold is where the magic happens. The shaping chamber awaits.
A single billet drops perfectly into place.
2 tons of pressure stamp it in a fraction of a second. The mark of quality, leaving behind a flawlessly smooth, branded bar.
Excess material is instantly trimmed away.
But don't worry, the scraps are sent straight back to the mixer. Nothing is wasted. A microspray of warm water melts the very top layer, creating a mirror polish. Lasers scan every millimeter. If there is a microscopic bubble, it's rejected. Only the absolute perfect bars survive this gauntlet. High-pressure air knives lock in the glossy finish. Hundreds of identical, perfect masterpieces ready for the world. Ready for packaging. But a soap this luxurious can't just go in a cardboard box. It gets wrapped in something equally premium.
The bar meets the foil at the exact same speed.
Robotic fingers fold the edges with surgical precision. tucking the sides to ensure no air gets in. A quick blast of heat seals the foil permanently. The final brand is stamped. The identity is complete. An army of gold flowing toward the final stage. But it still has a long way to travel. Time to box it up. Loaded perfectly into cartons. A streak of hot glue to keep it secure. Sealed tight. And ready. One last scan ensures the weight is absolutely perfect. A heavy-duty robot builds the shipping pallets. Wrapped in plastic to protect it from the elements. Off to the massive warehouse. The scale of production, where millions of bars wait to be shipped globally. Loaded onto trucks, bound for luxury stores.
From a raw nut to a glowing display of luxury. But the real magic happens when you finally open it.
The moment water hits the triple milled surface,
It explodes into a rich, dense lather, releasing that pure floral essence locked inside. And those 24-karat gold flakes, they gently polish the skin.
it rinses away completely clean, leaving zero residue. Because it's triple milled, the bar never cracks or turns to mush. It's not just soap, it's an engineered masterpiece. End of the journey. If you loved seeing how this is made, hit subscribe for more.